So here there is a question, in which of the following molecules are ions all the bonds are not equal. Here they are asked bonds are not equal. It means it is a double bond or single bond or the covalent bond. Sorry, or the triple bond. So the bonds are not going to be equal in which of the following. So in the which of the following, each and every option we have to see here. So according to the first option, we shall write this is a xenon is going to be present. The first option, this is xenon. So we know that xenon, the valency of the xenon is going to be, yes, it is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is Lewis dot. As per the Lewis dot theory, so valence electrons can be represented in the dot form. So next thing, so yeah, fluorine, right? Fluorine, 4 fluorine should be placed here. So I will be placing like this. So even the fluorine has the valence of 1, so that I can able to write like this. So now let us draw the bonds, right? This is the covalent bond. The sharing of electron is the covalent bond, we know that, right? So here it is a lone pair electron. So here is the lone pair electron is going to be present. This is the shape is called the square planar, the shape. Okay, we know the spelling, right? So this is the shape of the square planar. The every bonds in this is same, that is covalent bond. Only the single bond is going to be present here. Now the second one, this is the boron. So according to the boron has the 5 electrons, 2 electrons in the inner shell and the 3 electrons in the outer shell. So in the 3 electrons in the outermost shell, that is 1 2 and 3 can be represented here, and the 4 fluorines is going to be present here as per the question, as per the given option. 4 fluorine, in that 4 fluorine, here there is a -1, then there is a extra electron with the fluorine, right? So the fluorines are the valency of fluorine is 1, so that's why I will be drawing like this. Now here the bond, it's a bond, there is a bond here. So the fluorine cannot able to bond here, so that's why it is going to be give a bond. Yes, give, this is the coordinate bond is going to be formed here in this situation. So it is, there is a difference, small difference here, but this, the shape of this is also going to this is going to be I think this is going to be square. So next, I think it is going to be a quadrangular. Okay, so now the third option, 2 carbons is going to be present, only 4 hydrogen is going to be present. Okay, so here the so here is the hydrogen is going to be present, this is the hydrogen is going to be present, this is the hydrogen is going to be okay. So the bond, type of bond is differs here. So in this you can able to understand the shape is the tetragonal shape is going to be present here. Even here the tetragonal shape is going to be present, but here the coordination bond is going to be taken place here. Here the double bond has been taken place. This is a not equal bond. So coordination bond, yeah, the coordination bond is going to be also like a covalent bond, whereas here the double bond is not like that. So you have a sigma bond and also a pi bond. So pi bond means this is just an attraction over two electrons. So but sigma bond is the sharing of electron. So here it is going to be the sharing of electron. Each and everything is a sharing of electron, whereas here this is only the attraction of electrons. This is called the pi bond. So this is going to be the correct answer. That is not equal bonds is going to be present here. This is a double bond. So according to the bond order, you can able to understand bond order. The number directly proportional to the number of bonds present in between the atoms, and the third option is the correct answer for